go.
Got the green light, baby.
Drop the gate, open the gate,
yeah.
Move the gate. We finna ride Tormenta.
Here it is.
Six Flags over Texas. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Prime. I'm the founder and CEO of Melanin Coaster Network. Today we at Six Flags over Texas, about to take on the all-new Tormenta, B&M's newest dive coaster, the tallest one in the world.
The biggest, the largest.
It's gonna take us about 30 minutes to get up the lift here. We're going up the cloud.
We're going up, baby.
Oh, it's beautiful up here.
It feels good, don't it?
Oh, man, I'm getting nervous.
Woo! Look at that view. Hey, this roller coaster ride signed in with Melanin Coaster Network. We on the biggest, largest dive coaster.
I can see Jerry's World from up here.
You can see Dallas. You can see Fort Worth.
I can see all of Texas from up here. I can see all of Texas.
Look at that drop.
Horns up!
309
Horns up! Horns down! The donut!
Emily Lou right now!
Emily Lou, baby, let's go! She's so good! She's so fast! One of the largest loops in the world! Let's go, baby! Give it to me, Tormenta! It's so good! Horns up, baby! Oh, that's so good!
Oh, here's a miracle!
That's so good! That's so good! Oh, that drop is a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Oh, my goodness.
I'm going to do the Texas Bend when I get off this ride.
Oh, here we go.
Got another one. Let's go. It's so good, baby. Inversion. Let's go. Oh, it's so good.
My goodness.
It's so smooth.
Butter
smooth. Butter smooth.
Oh, yeah. What a ride.
What a ride.
Y'all gotta get out here and ride this ride tomorrow.
Butter smooth.
Man.
She's so good.
Real good. Real good.
The tallest, the biggest.
The largest.
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 Hey, shout out to Six Flags over Texas.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Hey, I appreciate y'all taking this ride with me. That was so good.
Good ride.
That
good
drop
ride.
is insane.
Oh, man. Y'all got to come experience it for yourself.
Hey, horns up, horns down. Yeah, we out of here.
Let's go.
Catch y'all on the next one.